trying to do a LED light since 6 years. I tried it maybe 5 times and every single time I failed at this. So I decided to give up on that. But a few days ago, Vintage Pink Prom sent me in my DMs this incredibly cool lamp from Look Lamps. It is obviously super expensive. We cannot afford that, but we can totally afford to remake it, and I can guarantee you this has been one of the easiest DIYs I have ever done. Yeah, I'm covered in dust. It's because I'm trying to build a sliding door. That's gonna be the next episode. Now let's focus on this. Ooh, yeah, my name is Nicole. I'm an Italian interior designer in Tel Aviv, and I love to remake super high design for a very tiny budget. This one costed thousands of dollars, and we're remaking it with $50. Let's start. So here we go. All I did was take out a pipe, yes, literally a metal pipe, and spray paint it in gold, because that's the color that I wanted for my lamp. Then you take out your driller, and you need to change the head to be a driller head for metal, otherwise this is not gonna work out, and you make the first hole. You're gonna have to do a lot of holes because you need to make holes that are gonna be big enough to pass your electric cables inside. You see here, I did like a bunch of them. At that point, you can finally pass your LED light inside, push it all the way through till you have only the cables on the top and the extra string coming out. You wrap it completely randomly around your tube and then insert it on the other side so that it stays stable. Then, if you don't like it, wrap it a little bit more till you like it, and there you go. Before we go any further, I need to give a huge shout out to my Patreon subscribers, and that is my mom, that is Layla, that is Kismet, that is Zari, that is Asanthiam, Shalom, and Asia. Thank you! At this point, we need to hang it to the ceiling, and I'm gonna use a metallic thread and disclosure for the top. I'm gonna put your link down below, but I don't know how it's called. You simply wrap it around your pipe and then you close it on the other edge, and you're gonna have to close the 2 screws that are on the top very tight so that it stays stable. I didn't even have to paint this thread because it's gold like the lamp, so I thought that it looked perfect. Then I decided the length of my strip, cut out the extra cable, and do the same identical thing on the other side. Once you have it stable and nice like this, you are gonna see that it fits perfectly straight on the top. So guys, I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe. This was literally the shortest video I've ever done in my life because it's super simple, and from a failure of LED lights, I can tell you, this is a for sure success. Let's go see the result and see you next Monday. We are gonna install it on the ceiling, and the best thing is that you can turn it on with a remote control. You even have LED lights that are with batteries, so you don't even have to connect it to electricity. But look, but you can also have the light that is the same all the time, or change the color with your remote. So easy and so cool.